Good afternoon, Rama.
Sir, I'm very happy to be a part of this and honored to be interact with DGP sir. And I'm pursuing undergraduation in Tirupati, but my father is from Nellore. He's working as a head constable. Thanks for giving this great opportunity, sir. I have gone through many issues regarding security and submitted a research paper. Thanks for this, sir. Thank you so much.
Very good, very good. And this session has helped you to get more insights?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You feel more confident?
Yes, sir. I have got
Your
many
understanding and the scope would have also broadened, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
మీకు అవగాహన వచ్చింది కదా ఇప్పుడు కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ బిల్డ్ అయిందా కదా?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good.
Thank you.
Good to see you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. All the best.
Thank you.
So good morning, sir. SP Krishna, sir.
Go ahead, please. Ravindra.
Sir, good morning, sir. ఇక్కడ మా దగ్గర 3 స్టూడెంట్స్ వచ్చారు సార్. ఒక అమ్మాయి ఇప్పుడు బై నేమ్ ఇలా సూర్య అని చెప్పేసి షీఈస్ డాటర్ ఆఫ్ ది హెడ్ కానిస్టేబుల్ సార్. షీ వుడ్ లైక్ టు స్పీక్ సార్. షీఈస్ పర్సూయింగ్ హర్ డిగ్రీ చేస్తూ షీఈస్ పర్సూయింగ్ సివిల్ సార్. సివిల్ సర్వీస్ ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్నారు. కూర్చొని చెప్పండి సార్.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
I'm feeling very happy that it is an honor, sir, before you taking a certificate with Honorable SP Ravindranath Babu, sir.
Wonderful.
Yes, sir.
You are also a civil servant, a civil service aspirant?
Yes, sir. I am UPSC aspirant, sir.
Very good, very good.
Yes.
That should be your, the goal and ambition.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
You should aim for the sky. Somebody said civil aviation, somebody is doing aviation security also. Yeah, very good.
From this course, I learned one thing, sir. Before this, I don't know that if anybody want to go to abroad for studies, there is a scholarship free. We can go to abroad. I learned from the CHS and narcotic awareness, cybercrimes awareness. I learned many things through this CHSS program, sir. And I like to thank for the initiatives like this CHSS and YouTube. We have gone through cybercrime awareness in Telugu and weekly ops for police people. These are very good initiatives, sir. Very thankful for that. I got this opportunity for the service of our family parents. Thank you for giving this opportunity, sir.
Very good. Thank you very much. And
Good afternoon, sir. SP Nellore, sir.
Sir, namaskaram, sir.
Ambition and future too. Thank you.
Sir, SP Nellore, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Bhaskar, good afternoon.
Sir, we had 8 internees from Nellore district, sir. She, Mahalakshmi, one girl is there, sir. She wanted to speak, sir.
Mahalakshmi.
Good morning, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Where are you? I can't see you. Yeah. Okay. Where is Mahalakshmi?
Sir, my name is Mahalakshmi, sir. I am preparing for group, sir.
Very good.
Mainly, firstly, thanks to Ramesh Kanti, sir, and you, sir, DGP, sir, for giving us the opportunity of coaching centers about abroad lo coaching సంబంధించి డీటెయిల్స్ ఇవ్వడం కానీ స్కాలర్షిప్స్కి సంబంధించి కానీ మా డౌట్స్కి చాలా ఓపిక్గా ఆన్సర్ చెప్పినటువంటి రమేష్ సార్కి చాలా చాలా థ్యాంక్స్. డీజీపీ సార్ మీకు కూడా చాలా చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ సార్ ఫర్ గివింగ్ అస్ దిస్ ఆపర్చునిటీ ఆఫ్ లెర్నింగ్ అబౌట్ ఐఆర్ సైబర్ సెక్యూరిటీ అండ్ సైబర్ సెక్యూరిటీ స్కీమ్స్ ఐఆర్ గురించి. And classes are very useful for all those groups and the for future government గురించి గవర్నమెంట్ అంటే ఏంటి అనేది తెలుసుకోవడానికి చాలా చాలా ఉపయోగపడ్డాయి సార్ క్లాసెస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్.
Very good. I'm happy that you feel good about it and you feel more confident and you have gained more knowledge, insight.
Yes, correct, sir. Thank you, sir.
Wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Sir.
Sir, SP Chittoor, sir.
Vizag? Okay, Vizag city.
Good afternoon, sir. SP Chittoor, sir.
అమ్మా
Okay,
కొంచెం అన్మ్యూట్ చేయండి సార్. మనీష్ here సార్.
next Chittoor after Vizag. With
Yes,
that,
sir.
we'll, I think, yeah, please.
Sir, Manish here, sir. We have 3 persons here, sir.
Okay,
And would you like to speak? Why don't you speak? Sir, one of them will be interact. All of them want to interact, sir. So
Right.
first, yes,
Good morning, sir.
speak loudly, loudly.
Good morning, sir, for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Okay. And I am glad to interact with you like this. And the
Wonderful.
CHS classes are very helpful for us for our future gaining, and our knowledge was improved. And we have a clarification about what we want to do in our further studies. And we gained a lot of from this, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you for you, sir, for giving this opportunity.
very good.
Sir, one lady is also there. She would also like to interact. In fact, I was just telling them how to, in future, how they can utilize this opportunity which has come their way.
Right.
Would you like to please?
Good morning, sir. This is Hanisha, pursuing BSc Microbiology in Aditya Degree College. I really thank you, sir, for supporting us. And I really thank you, Ramesh Kanaganti, sir, for telling us many things. And
Very good. తెలుగులో కూడా చెప్పుకోవచ్చు అమ్మా. మీ
మాస్క్ కింద
ఫీలింగ్స్ ఎట్లా ఏ భాషలో తొందరగా
I have
చెప్పగలుగుతారు?
gone through many things, sir, because of this CHSS. Thank
Very
you,
good.
sir.
Very good, Amma. Wish you all the best, huh?
Sir.
Wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Good afternoon, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, we have 30 students with us, sir.
Huh?
We have 30 students with us, sir.
Wonderful.
Sir,
Chittoor has got maximum participants, it looks like.
sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, why is that?
Sir, K. Pavitra is with us, sir. She is a BTech final year student who is studying in Puttur, sir. She is the daughter of K. Krishnaya, head constable, who is working in Puttur police station, sir. She would like to say a few words, sir.
Right.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, all the dignitaries, sir. I learned so much in internship, sir.
Very good. మీరు ఏం నచ్చింది ఇది ఇంటర్న్షిప్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ లో ఏం నచ్చింది?
Sir, and so much I gained so much of knowledge, sir, and internal affairs and external, sir. My aim is to be, I am preparing from groups, sir.
Very good.
I am an IPS officer, sir.
Very good, very good.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, very
Thank
good.
you for giving this opportunity, sir.
Oh, it's our duty and responsibility, and we feel good to see you and then see you feeling good. Okay? Thank you very much. మీ అందరికి చెప్పాలా? అందరూ మాస్క్ ఎన్నిక ఉన్నాయి కనబడట్లేదు. It's all right. Wear the mask. It's as per the regulation.
Yes, sir. They are watching, sir. We'll come in.
Wish you all the best, huh? All of you.
Thank you, sir.
I really wish I could interact with you in person. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Right, sir. Yeah. Now, sir, is there anybody else who would like to
speak? Kadapa speaking, sir.
Kadapa. Okay.
Yes. Sir, good morning, sir. Totally 18 participants attended the course, sir, and today we have P. Harita, sir, head constable's daughter from Mylavaram, sir. She would like to share some words with you, sir. Please, sir.
Right.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Narita.
I'm so glad for the movement, sir, actually. I learned a lot from CHSS.
Very good.
I'm so thankful for you, sir, and Ramesh Kanaganti, sir, and our SP, Kadapa SP, sir, and totally all the police officers here. They strained a lot to distribute certificates, and thanking to all there and here. And sir, I learned a lot from CHSS, and mostly it teaches me like internal and external security, and about international relations. Sir, Ramesh Kanaganti, sir, puts his efforts and time totally to teach us. I'm so glad for the movement, and you inspired many youth, sir, with this helping hand. You inspired most of the youth, and thank you, sir. Thank you for the movement. I'm so glad for this, sir.
Very good. Thank you very much. What are you aspiring to be? What is your aspirations?
Aspirant, sir.
Sorry, Amma, voice cut.
Service aspirant. I'm preparing for UPSC, sir.
Okay, very good. Wish you all the best. Huh?
And sir, one small information, sir. You are working as totally family, sir. You are taking the responsibility and you are encouraging the youth, and we are so glad for you officers. Thank you.
Very good. I'm happy that you are feeling good about what is happening. Very good.